Design. Printed with adorable Mickey Mouse graphics, this storage bin will be a favorite for your little one. Mickey Mouse fans will love this new decorative storage that features an all-over iconic print and logo. This fun storage basket will make cleaning up easier for everyone. Perfectly sized. Measuring 9hx10wx15L, this storage bin is perfect for anywhere in your home. This compact but practical size is perfect for desktops, dressers, in closets and on shelves. High-quality durable. Made from high-quality polyester canvas, this storage bin is durable and made for everyday use. Each bin also features reinforced handles for easy carrying and a front pocket for additional storage. The canvas material is strong and durable to hold everything from toys, games and clothes. Additionally, it can easily be folded down flat and be tucked away when not in use. Organizational solution. The ultimate solution to no mess. This collapsible bin is the perfect way to organize everything from books, toys, games and more. Featuring a front pocket, so you can store smaller items and access easily. The Mickey Mouse storage bin makes a perfect addition to your child's bedroom, closet, or playroom. The storage bin is an easy way to maintain clutter while adding a playful accent. Your little one will love to put away all their toys, books, clothing and more in this spacious storage trunk featuring his or her favorite character. It's made of a soft canvas material that is durable and safe for kids to use. When not in use, it can fold down flat and be tucked away.